Introducing the SolderStar Pro, our smartest data logger that can be combined with a range of accessories to meet all of your profiling needs. This compact unit is both robust and feature-packed, supporting 16 measurement channels, battery charging, USB download, and a 2.4 GHz wireless telemetry link for real-time data capture. All SolderStar Pro systems feature our innovative SmartLink Quick Dock system. This intelligent connector tells the data logger what settings to use and helps maximize the life of your profiling fixtures and sensors. Once profile data has been captured, the data logger simply undocks for safer operator handling and easy data downloading. The SmartLink system allows your system to be extended for use with reflow ovens, wave and selective machines, and vapor phase soldering applications. This flexible design results in real-world cost savings, with calibration and maintenance costs minimized as there's a reduced number of data loggers required to keep all your processes under control. The SolderStar system can adapt with your changing needs, and upgrades are cost-effective and easily performed by simply adding new adapters as your requirements grow. SolderStar offer a complete range of tools to streamline the profiling of your reflow process. For profiling of your electronic assemblies, a range of compact heat shields are available in 6, 9, 12 or 16 measurement channel versions. Your data logger can also be used with our oven verification fixtures to allow efficient daily checking of your soldering lines. SolderStar software tools are recognized as some of the best in the industry. Help is available at every step of the way, with many oven and solder paste specifications predefined in our software libraries, plus wizards to help quickly perform common tasks. Profiles can instantly be determined as good or bad using our graphical process checker functions. Long gone are the days of operators having to manually interpret tables of confusing numbers. Where profile improvement is required, our software can automatically search millions of combinations of oven heater and speed changes to quickly find improved solutions. Searches can be performed to maximize throughput, lower energy consumption, or aim for optimal process settings. Profile combinations can be established that require only speed changes to be performed on the oven, resulting in improved process changeover times. The Wave Shuttle system is a complete solution for wave solder machine setup and verification. All key process parameters are captured in a single pass through your wave soldering machine. SolderStar fixtures are available in a number of standard sizes or can be produced to match the exact dimensions of your soldering lines. Titanium side rails are fitted to maximize the life of the fixtures. Preheat performance is accurately measured by sensors fitted to the left and right sides of the fixture. Titanium contact sensors are installed to the bottom side of the fixture, allowing wave height and contact times to be measured with massively improved accuracy compared with thermocouple-based systems. A solder pot sensor provides verification of your solder temperatures, and a rear contact sensor allows conveyor speeds to be easily verified. The Wave Shuttle Selective system has been specifically designed for use with mini-wave selective soldering machines. Simply plug the SolderStar Pro data logger onto this fixture and you're ready to go. The fixture is fitted with temperature sensors and titanium contacts to verify all key parameters for your selective process in a single pass through the machine. A flux sensing option can also be added to check flux positioning is also within a defined tolerance. For dip soldering applications where the performance of multiple nozzles needs to be analyzed, we recommend the MultiWave product. This flexible instrument allows the development of custom fixtures both quickly and cost-effectively. The unit can then be moved from fixture to fixture as required. The unit provides 24 solder contact sensor inputs and 8 Type K thermocouple inputs. Fixtures can be produced to capture both temperature and contact information from your custom nozzle designs. Once the data is downloaded, temperature and nozzle contact information can be analyzed to quickly pinpoint any potential problems in the soldering of your components. Each of our wave soldering solutions is supplied with powerful analysis software to quickly determine if your process is within specification, with tools available to quickly pinpoint any source of problems and diagnose these within your process. The SolderStar Vapour phase systems are low mass and designed for minimum impact on the process. The shields are Teflon coated to resist Galdon buildup and are sealed to prevent damage to the data logger unit. The system is suitable for use in both batch and inline Vapour phase machines and robust enough to even withstand processes with vacuum stages. The protective shield can be opened once data capture is complete, allowing the data logger to cool and minimize any chance of overheating or damage. The unit is available with a real-time wireless telemetry link, allowing data to be streamed from within the process direct to your PC. The SolderStar Pro is a truly flexible instrument, offering the most comprehensive range of thermal profiling solutions. The system can be upgraded as your requirements change, helping you keep complete control of all your solder processes on site. SolderStar instruments are helping engineers all around the globe and are in use by many of the electronic industry's leading names. Our solutions are available through our chain of knowledgeable sales partners who can help with process questions and technical support, plus offer calibration and service locally. To request a demonstration or further information about SolderStar products, please contact one of our regional offices or visit solderstar.com.